Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 EMA on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. We have here find indicator, click on it and type EMA. Okay? Now choose this one, exponential moving average. Okay? Click on it and go to period and change it to 50. Now we have here lines. Now this one is the lines settings. So we have here the color. You can change the color if you want. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And we have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the line, okay, of the EMA. I will choose, for example, 4, then click on OK. And as you can see, this is our 50 EMA. If we go here, we have here exponential moving average, close 50, okay? And the color is yellow. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.